The one that I'm co-chairing was because of the conversion matters that day that involved the children. So we are still working on it because we were proposing, we were talking about having mediation. Now, mediation, we still have to work out on the details of the mediation, because when you have the mediation, okay, who are going to be the panelists? Are they going to be agreeable to the who the panelists will be? So all these terms have to be worked out in details. And not only that, if if mediation is agreed, then it has to be something that is optional, given to both parents, because both sides, be it the Sharia or the civil side, they both have complied with the law. So now this is beyond the law. I mean, for me, I feel that it's my responsibility to initiate it. So we have initiated. We had 2 meetings, and then we are working. We are waiting for some details that will be proposed to us. At the moment, that is the status. If mediation is really a medium that we want to introduce or to be implemented, then it has to be agreed by both parents. So this is something that is still not finalized yet.
Maybe at present there are two cases. One is the Nepal case and another is the Israel case where court decision has been made, but then the custody of the children has been decided by they have not actually been returned to the parent as instructed by the courts. So
But to me, the police should act on it, because I mean, from my reading, this is based on information that I obtained from the media. From my reading, actually, the kid was taken with no legal consent from the mother who has the custody of the child. So therefore, the police should act on it. But perhaps, I do not know, maybe the police has not much information on it. So that's why I have to be fair with the police as well. But to me, based on my reading, the police should act. Should take the kid away from the father and return to the mother. I think the court had been very fair with the decision. I didn't mean that. I didn't say there's trouble. The thing is, if mediation is the medium, then we will have panel of those who will be sitting as mediators. So who will be there? So again, this will be a matter that needs to be further looked into, because you're talking about religion now. So how many, who are they going to be, who will be representing who? Because these are human beings. Again, we have to be very careful when we decide on who the mediators will be. Okay, that's for the moment. Okay, thank you very much.